Hi, lovely creatives. I'm so excited that you're joining me today as we dive into one of my favorite parts of the creativity journal, coloring in. Whether you're using colored pencils, watercolor pencils, paint markers, or blending techniques, this is where your page truly comes alive. So take a moment now and pick your favorite coloring tool. Let's color in together. You're not just adding color, you're adding a story, presence, and joy to your journey. Here, I'm just using a scrap piece of paper that we can make a color swatch on the side just to test our colors and see which ones of the blue that I picked out of my pencils that I like and that I want to blend and combine. So you can just test them out on the side and see, choose your favorites, and then you can start. Begin by applying a light pressure with your first color, then build up the layers slowly. You can blend two shades by overlapping them in a small circular motion. Don't rush. Coloring can be this beautiful moment of calm. To blend smoothly, try using a colorless blender pencil or even a white pencil over your layers. Try blending from dark to light as it helps you create a soft gradients and depth.
And plain camps of home you wide and bare. Whispers of transition floating in the air. Brushing hand, I feel the gentle nudge. Colors of my journey, the lines begin to budge. Through seasons shifting, my heart learns to flow. Each stroke a story, every layer helps me grow. The palette of my soul is vivid, deep and true, creating beauty from the old to birth the new. In the dance of light and shadow, I find my way through the messy, raw, and sacred shades of gray. With every mark I make, I'm breaking through. On the canvas of change, I'm painting something new. From stormy blues to the fires glowing red, healing hues emerge from the battles I've led. The inner garden blooms with colors unforeseen. Art tells the story of the places I've been. In the greenhouse of my heart, a masterpiece resides. Healing pours like rain as creativity collides. The whispers of transition, now a song I sing. Through art and grace, I'm embracing everything. In the dance of light and shadow, I find my way through the messy, raw, and sacred shades of gray. With every mark I make, I'm breaking through. On the canvas of change, I'm painting something new. Information calls, I step into its tide, led by God's hand, with His love as my guide. Each brushstroke of faith, each texture of grace, unveiling the beauty in this sacred place. A tapestry woven from my journey within. Art becomes the mirror when new life begins. Inner canvas coaching, where healing and art collide. In the transition's masterpiece, I find my stride. In the dance.
Now I'm going to start activating the colors with my watercolor brush. I really love these brushes for coloring in, and you just fill the barrel with water, and I'm just going to squeeze it a bit to make sure that the bristles are nice and wet and that there's no other pigment on the brush.
change, I'm feeling something true. Okay.
So now I'm starting from the outside and going in and activating these colors and blending them beautifully with this brush. I just love that. The pigment is so rich that you can take it over to a different side. If you want to add that, you'll see me doing that. And I also, by the tail, used it to just put some color at the little splash there at the back.
And plain camps of home you wide and bare. Whispers of transition floating in the air. Brush in hand, I feel the gentle nudge. Colors of my journey, the lines begin to budge. Through seasons shifting, my heart learns to flow. Each stroke a story, every layer helps me grow. The palette of my soul is vivid, deep and true.
Now onto the paint markers. Oh, these are bold and vibrant. Use them for outlines, highlights, or even to write affirmations on your journal page as I did.
And plain camps of home you wide and bare. Whispers of transition floating in the air. Brush in hand, I feel the gentle nudge. Colors of my journey, the lines begin to budge. Through seasons shifting, my heart learns to flow. Each stroke a story, every layer helps me grow. The palette of my soul is vivid, deep and true. Creating beauty from the old to birth the new. In the dance of light and shadow, I find my way. Through the messy, raw and sacred shades of gray. With every mark I make, I'm breaking through. On the canvas of change, I'm painting something new. From stormy blues to the fires glowing red, healing hues emerge from the battles I've led. The inner garden blooms with colors unforeseen. Art tells the story of the places I've been. In the greenhouse of my heart, a masterpiece resides. Healing pours like rain as creativity collides. The whispers of transition, now a song I sing. Through art and grace, I'm embracing everything. In the dance of light and shadow, I find my way. Through the messy, raw and sacred shades of gray. With every mark I make, I'm breaking through. On the canvas of change, I'm painting something new. Information calls, I step into its tide, led by God's hand, with His love as my guide. Each brushstroke of faith, each texture of grace, unveiling the beauty in.
There's no right way to color in. Just let your creativity flow and listen to what the page is inviting you into. Whether you stay inside the lines or let the color wander freely, as I did with the watercolor pencils and the brush, you're adding beauty and meaning to your inner canvas. Thank you so much for joining me today. In the next video, we'll take a deeper look at the first lesson. We'll be reflecting together and reading the scripture that anchors our journey. And just a little reminder, you can download your free first lesson at the link below. I'd love for you to have it as we walk this creative path together. See you soon.